Oh, they're in the corner. That's a good sign. We've got 6 minutes left and they're in the corner. This is going to be a fun last 6 minutes, isn't it? Bornau's coming on. Just don't interrupt play. Bogle comes off. Can we not interrupt play? Just carry on. Come on. We need to be playing football now. We need to get a point. Fucking Bornau coming on for Bogle. I get it's just throwing. It's basically saying to Bornau, get in the box. But you just interrupt. Like, we need the ball in play now because he's not going to add these minutes on. Making substitutions in the 93rd minute. Daft. That's taken probably about 40 seconds, which won't be added on. That will not be added on anymore. Tanaka does really well. Pass it. Dominic Calvert-Lewin. And they kick the ball away. That's another one, but that won't be. Slots doing my tits in. Fourth official's just not interested. Out wide. Quicker, Pascal. Oh, God. Pascal Strout. Plays it to Goodmanson's right foot. It's just shit build-up play. Strout, I don't know what he's doing there. He's got to be better. There's an option to just get the ball up immediately. Pascal's taking 7 touches. It just feels like they've always got an additional body on the pitch. Like, their midfield just beats ours, like, so easily, doesn't it? Stack. Got to get forward at some point. We've got to get forward at some point. Now I sound like a broken record, but we have. There we go. Rodon's gone long. Oh, was that? I tell you what, there you go. Straight away. I mean, I thought that was on ball. I don't know why. But straight away, we go along. Gomez heads it out. Stack, I wish he went on the corner. Could we not just get Nonto on the corner? The smallest man on the pitch. Stack on the corner. You've got to beat the first man, fella. You've got to beat the first man. Stack. They win it. Goes out to Nonto. Stack. Nonto. No, don't go on that side. No. Very lucky there, Willie Nonto. Had the option to cross it, cut back on his left, slipped over, and it went off Szoboszlai. Decision making again. Just put the ball into the box. Leeds win a corner again, though. Stack. Ball in. Yeah! Yeah! Yes! It's Tanaka! Yes! Get the fuck in! Come on! Oh, yes, baby! We've done it! It's 3-3 at Ellen Road! Oh, my God! Get in! Oh! Tanaka! Woo! Yes! Oh, unbelievable! Oh, my God! What's that, Callum Fowler? You little shithouse! Get in there! Come on, boys! No, don't give it VAR. Not VAR. Not Liverpool. No. No, no. No. Why? Why would it be ruled out? No, it's not. Oh. Yes! Yes! Yes, Tanaka! I fucking love you, my friend! Oh, boys. Get in! Oh, my God. That Japanese metronome, that maestro. Oh, God, I love that, man. What a finish, by the way. What a finish. Perry Lim's in there.